Hi friends, welcome to Engineering Clinic. So today we are going to see the recent announcement by Apple for Indian customers, particularly for the education customers like professors, teachers, students and students' parents. If they hold a ID card of a particular school or a college or university, they can avail a free AirPods when you are purchasing an iPad Air, iPad Pro or a Mac for a university or for a university teacher account. So what I have done is, so I have just got a Mac Mini. The actual price of this Mac Mini is 64,900, but I got it a price of around 58,410, and for this 58,000 rupees you will be getting an AirPod free. But there's a small workaround. So this AirPod is just the case is the case is also powered case. So I needed to pay a slight 4,000 extra for getting this. If you want an AirPod Pro, then you have to pay 10,000 extra. So the total this cost is around 18,900, and this is on 64,900. When you count both, 18 plus 64 is around 82 and 83,800. That's the total price. But this everything is we got at a price of 62,000. So which was a very back to school offer, or a back to school offer by Apple. So you can able to get this. So I'll be showing you how you can able to get this thing in Apple website. I'll be showing it out so that you can able to get the benefit. But please remember, till stock lost. So if you grab the opportunity at the earliest, you can able to grab it. Visit apple.com. So click India. Then you can get this information. Buy a Mac or iPad for university. Get AirPods. Save with education pricing. So click this. There are two options: get verified with Unidays and verified through Apple. So this is now in India. It is admission time here. Most of the universities, they might be giving you acceptance offer. So if you have any offer, you can use that offer and then you call them or you can chat with them. So this is one method. Another method is get verified with Unidays. It is automated. So I already done my verification. So you can go here. So already verified with Unidays. So that means you can click this. You already yes. Now verify your student or staff status and enter store. So this is then entering the store. So we have got it covered for you. So now when you go down here, you have various options here. So whichever way you can able to purchase that. So this is the education store home. So now what I do is, let me say if you want to go for a Mac, then I can go for a MacBook Air, for example, education pricing. So choose your new MacBook Air. So you can see that the pricing here is 83,610. So the actual pricing will be something different, but here this pricing is 83,610, and this is 1,06,110. So 10% offer you will be getting it. Now once you select it, click the select. So after you do the selection, then it asks you to customize. So when you customize, the slide date will be different. Sometime for customization, the delivery date may be slightly extended, but a default model, you can use the default model. So now next thing is, after you've done everything, continue. So once it is done, so let me go with the default. Now we can see that choose your AirPods. So now in this AirPod, for 0 rupees, you can use AirPods with charging case. AirPods with the wireless charging case will be 4,000 extra, and AirPods Pro will be 10,000. In case if you don't want, you can use this no thanks button. So when you see that only with the charging case 0, then add to bag. So automatically this will be added. So you can see that in your review bag, you can see 13-inch MacBook Air, and so we have an AirPods offer of minus 14,900, and you can pay somewhere around 83,610. So that's all about on this. So let me go with the remove option here. So charging is I'll remove. So now continue shopping. We'll go back here. Then education store home. I'll go with it again, education store home. Then I'll go with Mac Mini. So as I showed you, I'll go with Mac Mini here. Education pricing. So actually, when performance wise, when you compare MacBook Air entry model and Mac Mini entry model, Mac Mini entry model have 8 core 8 GPU and 8 core CPU and 8 core GPU, but there it is 7 core GPU. Only with Pro you will go with 8 core. So you can see there there is an option of only 50,410. Select it. After you select this, it will ask you for customization. Again, click the basic model, continue. So once it is done, again it asks you 0, 4,000 or 10,000. So if you select AirPods with the wireless charging case, then add to bag. So once you have done it, then you can see the review bag. So then you can see 58,410, and this 8,900 is the total MRP price, whereas 4,900 is the AirPod offer, and you can pay only 62,000. So within just 62,410, you can get the M1 Mac with an AirPod. So which is seems to be a very great offer that Apple is offering for the Indian customers. So with this, you can able to purchase this product, and once done, check out, and then you just do the stuff. Let me exit this.